and it's pretty light, so it's pretty light, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna doing the inside head thing maybe tomorrow, but I'll open it. So in 1, 2, 3. Ah! Is this the O.M.G L.O.L? Yeah. I think I got all of it, and if I didn't, I don't care. But look at this. So here's the front or back, I'm not sure. And then here. Oh. So today I just did the unwrapping of this plastic. But tomorrow maybe I'll do the opening of this because it's a little bit late for me, so bye. Okay, so I'm back and this is the next day, so the 25th day, and time to open this. Since it just goes like that, you see this little beat box there? I'm not sure, but these were really cool. Oh, that's why the buttons are there. So I need to go here in the front, and yes, I am in my room. See? I'm not sure if I should take this one out. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't, but I'm not gonna take it out. I guess these are the little girls, but wait a second. I'll lift this back up. So, as you can see, these are the little sisters, not like the baby little sisters, but yeah. These are the big sisters. These are the middle sisters, and I guess they were the ones here. So, I'm gonna first take this black one. And so the first little middle sister we got first, and yes, I am covering her body. The first one we got is this one. So yeah, here are instructions here, probably how to use it. Okay, and I'm going for the pink one now. Okay, now we have this one. One of my best friends actually has this kind of L.O.L. So this one, so camera here to the box. So this one with this one. Okay, time for green. Okay, thank goodness it has like a little look right here. I think the little sister is actually way more cuter. Or actually, yeah, I'm not sure. And this one is cute. I think this one is my favorite from the middle edge sisters. So as you can see here and here with this. Now I think we're supposed to open here. I guess these are the guitars for the big sisters. Here's the front and here's the back. Hers. Okay? Okay, so again we had some little troubles, but I thought that this was just like a decoration, but not actually. So green. I guess these are the accessories. Okay. Shoes. Okay. Of course, because people need shoes. There. So since this is pink, it will probably go with the pink group. I'm just calling them groups, so. And shoes. I think this is just giving shoes for everyone. Okay, shoes. Boom. This is basically like a calendar. Here's 3, so I think you just rip that. Oh, a little guitar for the big sister. Oh no, for the little sister, yeah, because it's tiny. Or, which I was almost going to jump into. got a tiny guitar for the powder milk. 5 is this green package. I guess it's for the little sister again because it's really tiny and it goes like this. And 6. I guess I could just remove this whole thing. Ooh, and then we have this black one again for the little sister. Now that we're done with that, time for 7. Oh, that was easy. Shoes. Get out. For the printed. Ooh, again, very easy. That's really fun. Well, at least it's not annoying. Ooh, and then these are glittery shoes. Glittery black shoes. Again, I got this present from Mommy. Recording? Okay, so after 8 is 9. Oh yeah, and there were 70 surprises, so I don't have to be worried like, oh no, where's the accessories for the rest? Oh, glasses for the big sister. Glasses. Let me just check. Oh, so it's for her. 10. And this is actually a calendar. It's fun that I got this as my present. Ooh, glasses. Look what it says. It might be kind of inverted, but it says bread. 11. Oh, shoot. These are probably for the big sisters because it's wrapped like this. Ooh. And this is in pink packaging, so it's for the pink group. Ooh, it's a crown. It's like this spiky. It's 13 and 14. We had just a little bit of problems because of the tape. Ooh, and I see something. Wow. So, yeah, this is basically a calendar. Someone actually got this as their calendar. They're really lucky. Okay. So, actually, we're just going to go random. So, we're going to start with this one since it was already starting to be in. And look, so cute. My room is a mess right now, but I don't care because look. And we're going to open this other one because why not? I guess these are the two, I guess these are the ones which are working in the same band together. Now, I'm just gonna take these girls out. And yeah, these are adjustable. Look, so cute. The hair feels real, not being weird. These are adjustable with adjustable hands. And they look very cute. These are actually my first O.M.G Big Sister dolls. So they, like the hair here on the side isn't really like good. It's kind of like breaking, but it's still good. And then we got the green girl. I don't even know their names. So here, I guess they're in the same band because they have like both have like black hair, half another color. So that's cool. And as I said before, we're just going random numbers, so we're not gonna open these like one by one. We're just gonna go. So we're gonna go for the pink one. Ooh, so now we're opening the accessories of the big sisters. Big sisters. It does have those little things. So this is right, and we're gonna put it on the left, which is here. Here's the right. I really like the style of this girl. I think you're just supposed to break on the side. And sorry if I keep just showing it to myself. I'm just so used to it. Ooh! I do not know what this is. Like, I got one of the shoes. Wait. Okay, here's another shoe, but I think this is a bracelet of you. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna look from the cover. I'm just gonna look at the cover. 18, because we haven't gotten that yet. So it's for the green one. This is kind of like a burger. Oh yeah, drums. The drum thingies. Ooh, and you can actually press them. That's really cool. What? I think, well, I'm not sure what it is, but it's very cool. And I think you're supposed to like keep it somehow. Since it's not really like a calendar time now, because, yeah. I'm just ripping because it just worked like that. And ooh, this is the guitar for the other girl. Open this. 41. A hairbrush, and it's for the green girl. This is a green. I'm just doing like this because so it's easier. And what do we get? We get, oh, clothes for the tiny little sister. I'll take that. I think these are for the little sisters again. And the biggest one is for the big sisters. Clothes. So, yeah. Ooh, a bottle, because we still have the bottles. And now, 80 and 48. Oh, wow, this is really big. This is a guitar for, oh no, a brush. It's a little hairbrush. Ooh. I think this is supposed to go on her neck, I think. I found out that there's something in, some stuff in here, so this is just 26. Ooh, that's big. Ooh, these are the dresses. Ooh, this is the skirt. Yeah, so what do we got? This is, ooh, a belt. These are real chains. Here is now the other side. So I'm just gonna pull these out. And look! Open. Yeah, it's probably gonna be another one of those instruments. Look! So cool. I love the Big Sister O.M.G dolls. Oh, the dolls are here, so let me just open this. So cute. Then there's a little something there. Oh, this might be one of my favorites from the Big Sister doll. Okay, so here are the dolls. Now we're finally done. It took like half an hour. Well, it took a very long time. See, look. This one, these two are my favorite, and thank goodness you can't see the hand here, but the other hand, Mommy accidentally broke off one of the hands, so the other hand is here. Look, the nails were so pretty. Well, actually all of them are my favorite. All of them are my favorite. And then here are the little sisters. These two are my favorite. I really like these. And yeah, those are the water bottles, instruments, and they actually work with electricity. Now I'll be introducing the names. Fang Queen. Oh no. But Fang Queen. Fang Queen. Whatever this is. Bad Girl, a classic name, and then Hot Chick.